Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to block AliExpress emails. So if you do not want to receive the emails from AliExpress, you'll be able to block them or unsubscribe to them. In order to do that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open the Gmail application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here, what you have to do is simply find the email that you received from AliExpress. If you could not find it over here, you can also search for it. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for AliExpress. Now you'll be able to see the bunch of emails that has been sent by the AliExpress. Simply tap on the email of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular email from AliExpress will be opened. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for unsubscribe, or if you do not find the option over here, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of your email. Now over here too, you'll be able to find the option for unsubscribe. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be redirected to the browser. From here you'll be able to unsubscribe the email. Simply tap on the unsubscribe option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you've unsubscribed the email from AliExpress. Now you'll no longer receive the emails from AliExpress. If you want to block the AliExpress emails completely, what you have to do is simply go back. Now in that email itself, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, block AliExpress, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here this particular account has been blocked from the email. That means AliExpress emails has been blocked. So that is how you block AliExpress emails. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.